Tonight, Reggae Hour listeners and fans, we've got something special for you. Join us as we sit down with a man whose music is opening eyes and breaking chains. Introducing Redeemm, the reggae artist from Spanish Town, Jamaica, whose journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From his days performing in DJ competitions to balancing life as an EMT and a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Redeemm has always been driven by one thing: music with a message. And in 2023, he dropped an album that's shaking up the reggae world, A Key for Caged Minds. With a mission to free the mind and uplift the spirit, Redeemm's new album is more than just music. It's a call for mental and spiritual liberation. His work has been praised for its deep message, tackling everything from social injustices to global conflicts. And tonight, you'll get to hear all about it. So Reggae Hour fans, grab your headphones, turn up the volume, and get ready for an unforgettable conversation. Don't miss Redeemm, live tonight on B.O.S.S Radio.
Brimstone and fire. No call on judgment on the youth, the innocent, you know fi blame. How can you blame the youth them when you give them your name? And the youth them are afraid because you cheat them at your game. Jaja is the kings of kings and his lordship shall remain. Jaja is so merciful for every house of him for rain. Whether me traveling by me donkey and you're flying in your plane, whether you're eating in your white house and me have a piece of cane, could have black, your pink or white, a jab blood flowing through we veins. So what are we fighting for? Is it for earthly things? We are a peculiar people, children of one king. So what are we fighting for? Is it for earthly things? Let's join voices together. Babylon trip, hey Babylon, sing. How can you say we are free when I need a passport with a visa stamp to travel to your country? How can you say we are free when it takes almost 200 of my dollar to purchase one of your currency? How can you say we are free when we do not have a machine to simply take care of our baby? Am I your enemy? We are not on the battlefield. Then why do you wanna kill me? Was I not created by the hands of Jah Almighty? So what are we fighting for? Is it for earthly things? We are a peculiar people, children of one king. So what are we fighting for? Is it for earthly things? Let's join voices together. Babylon tremble when we sing. Every morning when we rise up down at the river, will I swim. If you do not have no river, find yourself down at the spring. And you hear no one fit all before you hear up Elohim. If you a ballet, check the Baba, you are not to heal the king. Hear me granny Caroline, enough respect away me bring. Just a vessel, Jaja using me to do a little thing. Do not pass your fallen brother, your duty is to help him. Unity me a promoting at the song them when me sing. So what are we fighting for? Is it for earthly things? We are a peculiar people, children of one king. So what are we fighting for? Is it for earthly things? Let's join voices together. Babylon tremble when we sing.